Hello, and welcome to this Itential Automation Platform 2020.1 showcase in which I'll talk about pre-built automations. Pre-built automations are part of our long-term strategy to reduce the amount of time it takes from installing Itential Automation Platform in your system to successfully running your first production automations. We've asked a lot of network engineers what are the most common tasks you have to do every day that take a lot of time and that should be automated. Based on those responses, we've created a lot of different pre-built automations. Those are packaged, self-contained, open-sourced, and production-ready use cases that you can install into your IAP system and run directly from there. On the left, we see a couple of examples, but that is by far not everything we have. Please go to developer.itential.io to see a full list of use cases we offer. New in 2020.1 is our application called Admin Essentials that allows a better way to download, install, and manage those pre-built automations. Let's take a quick look. On our developer.itential.io page, we see a list of all the automations that have been published so far. We see software upgrades, cloud management, configuration management, layer 3 VPNs, and lots of other things. How can I get to these? Here is an instance of IAP 2020.1 running. By clicking on Admin Essentials, I actually go to a page that's called Artifacts, which is our internal name for pre-built automations, and it lets me browse different artifacts in my artifacts catalog. This actually connects to Itential Open Source, to GitLab, and lets me view everything that is on there. So I could look for an AWS VPC creation use case, and I see in the README what the automation looks like, how long it will take to run, what requirements we have, and what feature it brings. But that's not only the AWS. We see a banner management for your network devices. We see iOS XR upgrades. We see command template or something like internal error handling, which helps you to better handle errors within our automations. All you need to do is click on an automation, click install, wait a couple of seconds for it to install, and then you can view this installed automation in your Itential Open Source directory. The cool thing about those is that you don't only see the README and specific information about it on the left here, you also see and can link to exactly what is contained in this automation. So we can easily browse through all of the content of our automation. I could open, for example, the demo error handling workflow and see what exactly it contains. I could also open the automation catalog item of it to directly start this pre-built automation by clicking Run Manually here and then selecting the form input that goes into my automation. Even if my IAP is not directly connected to the internet, all I need to do is go to Admin Essentials and hit the import button to install, and we call that offline install, any artifact that you would like to install in your production system. I hope this helped you see the major advantages we give you with pre-built automations that you can use, that you can build upon, that you can change, and I hope you give us feedback on which use cases we can automate for you next. Thank you.